YouTube is the world's second most popular search engine. Millions of people use YouTube search every day to find videos about everything from DIY tips and tricks to funny cat videos. It's likely that your ideal target audience is searching for one of your videos right now. When they hit search, will your video be there ranking at the top? If the answer is no, I don't know, or even yes, but I want to rank for more, then you're in the right place. And no, not once in this video do I tell you that you just need more subscribers. Stay tuned. So I'm sure you've heard the typical YouTube SEO advice. Create good quality content, add tags, and share the video on social. Yeah, that's all well and good, but how? Is simply adding a couple of tags and posting your videos on a tiny social account going to make your video soar? No. But don't worry, because the tips I'm sharing in this video are the same tips I've used to rank our own videos in YouTube and Google. This video is not simply a step-by-step guide to publishing a video. It includes all the little note-to-self comments I have next to us whenever we plan, record, edit, and publish a new YouTube video. So let's start right at the beginning with keyword research. As with Google, users searching on YouTube are looking for answers to a specific query. This doesn't necessarily need to be an actual question. It's more likely to be a carefully curated search term entered into the search bar. But how do you know which search terms your target audience are searching for? With keyword research. If you already have a channel with public videos, you can utilize your existing analytics to find out how your viewers found your current videos. Use the traffic source report in YouTube Analytics, and you can find keywords that your videos accidentally rank for. So if you create a video that's optimized around these keywords, then you're onto a winner. However, you can take your keyword research off of YouTube and use a mixture of free and paid tools to really delve deep into the most popular search terms. The most basic is TubeRanker. Simply enter your target keyword and it'll provide a load of search terms and their estimated search volume. Google Keyword Planner will give you similar information targeted specifically towards Google search results. However, if you have access to Ahrefs, you could do much more digging by using their YouTube keyword research tools and Google search keyword research tools to generate keyword ideas with even more information. As with Google, because it basically is Google, YouTube ranks videos based on a number of key indicators. One of the most prominent, of course, is content quality. In this instance, I'm referring to how well the YouTube video matches the search intent. Say you want to rank for the best air fryer 2022. Then a video on the worst toasters just won't cut it. It seems like a pretty straightforward concept, but it's actually much more complex than that. See, if we scroll down the search results, we'll see some videos about the best air fryers, and more, and more, and more, and even more. It's a competitive world out there, so YouTube will scrape each video to find out absolutely everything it can about that video to make sure that it exactly answers the user search query. This includes looking at the performance of each and every video, as well as the video's titles, descriptions, and tags. So let's look at how to optimize these elements of any video. Optimizing the video's title, description, and tags can massively boost the video's visibility in both Google and YouTube search results. Speaking of, these need to be completely optimized to ensure you're putting your best foot forward. And when I say optimized, I don't mean throw a load of keywords at it and hope for the best. I mean improve the effectiveness of each element to increase your chances of ranking that video for your target search terms. YouTube gives you 100 characters to reveal what the video is about. You should make sure to include as much detail as possible whilst creating intrigue. Remember that the title is often truncated depending on where it appears on the platform, so include the most important information first. Now for the description. You'll see some similarities here with Google SEO. Not only is the description a great place to add extra links back to your website and resources that may be of interest, But you can also explain a little more about yourself, which goes a long way towards reinforcing trust. An optimized description also allows the YouTube algorithm to further understand the content and context of your video, resulting in longer watch time, increased viewers, and more subscribers. Research suggests that the most effective descriptions are over 200 words, and of course naturally include the target keyword in the first 2 to 3 sentences, with the keyword included naturally throughout the description. No stuffing, please. And for tags, the only time you can use too many is if you're using relevant tags. This can cause the YouTube algorithm confusion when attempting to categorize your video. Use 2 to 3 tags for the target keyword that are specific to the video, 3 synonyms of that keyword or key phrase, and 3 category tags. You can also use the free YouTube tag extractor tool to spy on your competition. But don't just copy and paste these same tags onto your video because A, they may not be relevant, and B, they may not be working. The watch time is the YouTube measurement of audience retention. It's the total minutes people have spent watching your videos on YouTube. Why is it important? Because it's the best gauge of how engaging your videos are. Not only that, but if you're planning to monetize your videos, you need to hit that all-important milestone of 4,000 minutes of public watch time. We managed this in under 12 months, and here are my tips on how you can do this. One of the most useful tools to increase watch time is referring to other videos. This goes further than just mentioning another relevant video within the script. You need to take advantage of cards, which are links to other relevant videos that pop up in the top right corner as the video is playing, and end screens, which show the next recommended video. You have complete control over which video is shown, or you can choose the best video for the viewer, which is a great personalization tool. Make sure to engage with your audience. Give them a reason to subscribe by providing real value. Speaking of, you know you want to. And give your audience a genuine reason to watch the next video. Mix things up a little and keep it fresh. This is something we'll be doing more of now that we're out of my spare room. So keep an eye out for that. Another thing we've started doing recently is avoiding announcing the end of the video. We have such a good variety of content on our channel now that there's always another relevant video that will support content in the first. So we offer up that video by pointing it out on the screen. It's early days, but we've since seen a 50% increase in month-on-month watch time since we made this change. Don't forget to also optimize your content alongside a really popular video on that same or relevant topic to increase your chances of driving valuable referral traffic from these videos and increase brand awareness. You can't just rely on on-site optimization for your videos within YouTube alone, particularly if you want to really grow your channel. You need to consider another vital ranking factor: backlinks. They're particularly important for your YouTube videos if you want to rank in Google too, which you do. Backlinks are important for 3 main reasons: ranking, discoverability, and referral traffic. Of course, you can share your videos on social media for a no-follow link or 10, but one of the most underrated ways to begin link building to your videos is to embed them into relevant blog posts. It's incredibly likely that your YouTube videos will only offer more value to traffic driven to your website. So adding each new YouTube video to the pages of relevant blog posts can only improve the user experience, and you'll gain a few follow backlinks in the meantime. So you want to make sure that you're not only creating engaging content, but that you're fully optimizing every element of your video, from utilizing the tools provided by YouTube, like the cards and end screen, right through to the detailed descriptions. Find out exactly how to write fully SEO optimized copy that will work for your YouTube descriptions by clicking the screen now. See what I did there?